This whole thing started when we were on a trip, getting back from a wedding, really driving through the mountains. So a couple hours to kill, and we just started talking about photography and all these little accessories that are coming on the market and what that looks like. I happen to be interested in wood and kind of carving and whittling and whatever, and thought we could really make something that would look good on cameras, but it would make me want to go take some pictures.
Before Artisan Obscura, you would go online, eBay, you would buy a button, it would come from China, it was aluminum or metal, it was sort of cold and impersonal. I think we were just looking for something with more heart, with more warmth.
Artisan Obscura is homegrown and home-based in Denver, Colorado, from A to Z. From our buttons being manufactured downtown, we've assembled a sort of a team of people that put them together, quality control them, etch them, customize them, and ship them. We're all about community. We connect with the community of photographers all over the world, but we even wanted our products and the way that they were made to really invest in our home community.
With all these products, we hope that there becomes a story behind them. As the button ages on your camera, you sort of reflect about where it's been with you, how it looked before you got it, how it looks now. Well, I think the main mission is just to inspire people to make pictures. Hopefully, getting that package in the mail will raise that level of intention to photograph more.
Artisan Obscura really has become much more than we could have ever thought. Now it's a collective of photographers, like-minded, who get out into their worlds, and each one of these people in our community are sharing their stories. The mission of Artisan Obscura is to encourage photographers to go want to be a photographer, to go want to take photos. There's a passion there.
It's about photography. It's not about selling as many buttons as we can. It's about people making pictures and documenting their lives and discovering what it is they're passionate about through photography.